Hey guys, Dotson Guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Wanted to showcase our 2018 330 Outrage we have here on display behind me. I want to start in the bow. We've got windlass up front, and we've got this one in the optional sand metallic Enron paint job. Moving to the back, we have a nice, elegant stainless steel rub rail incorporated in the front here. We have twin 350 Mercuries in the white with the joystick piloting, as well as underwater lighting from Lumitech in the back. And we'll take a moment, we'll walk our way inside. Hey guys, welcome aboard. We're up here at the cockpit, or the forward bow area. We've got it set up as the lounge. So there's a teak table that recesses down here with a filler cushion. So it's a nice lounging area to lay out on, or we can pop it up and we have a nice little picnic. We have the windlass access up top, as well as a big forward locker here that we can insulate and use for ice. In the nice coffin box that I was in, as you can tell, it's very, very deep, very, very spacious. We've got bucket storage right there in the back. We also have pop-up rod storage. So there's store right there to the tips into the console. And then down here we have our storage covers moving forward. This is lit, a great place. You can also do optional scuba tank holders. So this big lounge holds two very comfortably. I'm 6 foot long. Nice, big, and spacious. We've got the JL option on here, JL audio upgrade. We've got the nice big oversized JL speakers there. Moving towards the helm area, we have the access for the optional tower if you so choose. If not, great access. Put your outriggers up and your antennas. Over here at the helm, we've got two 16-inch Raymarine Axiom screens here. We've got the big vessel view display for the Mercuries, as well as the joystick option like we discussed out back, as well as auto trim tabs. We've got a 60-40 split helm seat. So we've got the 40 for the captain and then the 60 for the passengers with flip down armrests. We've got the drop down step here. So for not the height challenged folks in our lives, we have an upper tail station without losing sight of the horizon as we're taking off. We'll walk on through here. I'll show you the console. Again, nice, great space that Boston Whalers provided for us. We have storage. Here's where those rod tips came through in our lounge up front. There's storage access under there. Oops, excuse me. Storage under the port side, as well as underneath the step that I stepped in on that you guys can't see. And we've got a VacuFlush head system there. So moving towards the transom of the boat, we have set up our sandbar party. So this boat, we have the optional sunshade that we went ahead and put up for you guys so you guys can see it. This basically covers 60% of the boat. Today, everybody's fighting the skin cancers. This is a perfect thing to keep everybody out of the sun and still having a good fun day. We have the aft seat here. It slides out. So you got a big bench seat, big entertaining spot, but as well as the kids are bouncing around on the sandbar, you can open the tuna door, deploy the ladder that's deployed in the stored in the console, put our grab handle out, and everybody's coming in and out having a good time. We do have the summer kitchen option on the back here. We didn't opt for the grill, but otherwise it's a good glove box without it. We do have the sink, storage racks there, slide out 65 quart Yeti right there in the back. And then we have easy access to our bilge right here. There is a drop-down table that can deploy here, and it stores just underneath this big lid. So huge accessibility to this bilge area. So just to wrap it up here in the cockpit, we do have port and starboard fish boxes. Well, guys, that concludes our tour of our 330 Outrage here today. If you guys have any questions, feel free to give us a call at 843-747-1889. And again, I'm Dotson Guys at MarineMax Charleston. Thank you.